Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to make your laptop and PC 10x faster for free. Click Start menu, click Settings, click Windows Update. Check for update. If there anything new, you need to get update. Then click Apps. Click on Startup. Once there, turn off all the apps that you don't want to run during startup. Click Start menu. Click Search bar, then type Task Manager. Open Task Manager. Now select the Startup option, where you will find the program that can be disable. Click Start menu. Click Settings. Click System. Then click Power. Scroll down to Power mode and use the drop down menu. Choose between 3 available modes. Click Start menu. Click Search bar. Then type defragment and optimize drivers. Then open it. Select the drive that you want to defrag. After that, tap on the optimize option. Wait few minutes to complete the process. After complete the process, then click Close. Click Start menu. Click Settings. Click Accounts. Select the sign in options. Then turn off automatically save my refreshable app and restart them when I sign back in. Click Apps. Then select Apps and Features. You will now find the list of apps and remove the unwanted one by tapping on the 3-dot menu and selecting the uninstall option. Right click Start menu. Then select Run. Then type %temp% and select OK. You will now be taken to the temporary file folder. Just select them all and delete them. Click Start menu. Then click Settings. Click System. Click Storage. Click on Temporary Files. Now click on the Remove Files. Click Back. Then click on Enable Storage Sense. Click Accessibility. Now select the Virtual Effects option. Then disable Transparency Effects. Then disable Animation Effects. Click File Explorer. Right click this PC. Select Show More Options. Click Properties. Click Advanced System Settings. Click Advanced tab. Click on Settings. Then select Adjust for Best Performance. Click Apply. Then click OK. Click OK. Click Start menu. Click Settings. Select the notification option. There you will find three options. Disable both of them. Click Start menu. Click Search bar, then type Core Isolation. Then open it. Then disable memory integrity. Click Start menu. Click Settings. Then click Gaming. Click Game Mode. Then turn off Game Mode. Click Back. Click Xbox Game Bar. Then turn off Xbox Game Bar. Thanks for watching.